This video explains how to create alerts via email and SMS for students' entry and exit. Get a 14 days free trial of school bus tracking system at www.fleetroute.com. Nearly every business in the world is changing due to technology. Parents are constantly willing to invest a little more in reliable technology when it comes to their children's safety. The school bus tracking system gives you the power to monitor the safety and security of your child, but creating alerts via email and SMS for students' entry and exit can be more helpful. A text alert system is the most effective way of making sure to build communication between students and parents. You can choose mass texting as well, which is the best way of keeping parents and students on a common platform. The advanced version of this software covers anti-bullying measures for class reminders and cancellations. There are two elements that you need to set up an SMS and email system: a keyword, a short code. For example, text student entered to 659836 for the remainder of entry of your child inside the school gate. Here the keyword is student entered and the short code is 659836. Similarly, a school bus tracking system can also work on the same principle. There are two types of code. Short code: it is a 10-digit phone number that is integrated with an area code. Long code: it is a 5 to 6-digit number that can be used nationwide. You can set a keyword of your choice while setting up the text alert system and rent a short or long code from a text messaging service. If not, then you can utilize your cell phone as a caller ID. Most schools are using this system to build a generic gap between students and parents. Using a simple system that sends SMS and email alerts to parents as their child exits and enters the school and bus gates. To create an SMS alert system, you basically have two categories: the inquiry and the notification. A notification is a message that summarizes the information that is for communication and goes out. The benefit of adding SMS functionality to the existing service is the advantage of mobility and the ability to get an instantaneous response to service requests. This system is built by utilizing the latest technology and using the application of a communication system. This system is highly recommended to schools, and most of the schools in Dubai are already using this technology. There are two major components of an email and SMS alert system. The hardware and software components build the server of the SMS messaging system. The hardware also contains the physical tools that are necessary to completely construct the messaging server. There are hardware components that you need to build the SMS alert system. A mobile SIM card with a mobile operator typically stores the message in the mobile station. The high-end products sometimes complement themselves. These elements are managed by the subscribers. A GSM modem is basically an external device like the Wave.com Fast Track. The modem receives and transmits the radio signals within a cell site. It is capable of trading SMS messages using its commands. Also, a personal computer can be used for running the SMS messaging server. There are basically two ways to handle incoming SMS messages, and each of these methods has its advantages and cons. The @+ command sets support online notification of received SMS messages. The advantage of using this online notification is that the client becomes aware as soon as the new message is received. You can use the simplest approach, which is to periodically pull the modem for new SMS messages. It was done using the system scheduling application built with the Party SMS messaging application programming interfacing (API). The disadvantage of this approach is that there may be a delay between the receipt. A middle tier is generally referring to the process that takes place in an application server that sits between the user's machine and the database server. It was implemented in the Java 2 Standard Edition using the third-party Java API for connecting with the GSM modem phone and achieving low-level interfacing with the GSM hardware. Moreover, the middle-tier messaging layer also performs the SMS business logic. The packages here are deployed to a single package onto the application server. As a working parent, it can sometimes become hard to keep track of your child's progress. You may not track the location and the reaching time of your child all the time. This system is designed to update parents regarding school delays and other information. By being informed about any delays and postponing the school schedule, you can save your time as a working parent. As a working parent, it may become hard for you sometimes to track the activities of your child. With this alert system, you can monitor all your child's activities. Texts are helpful because they have a 98% open rate. It is easy to set up SMS and email alerts for student entry and exit, but most parents prefer SMS alerts because they are quick to reply to and have many advantages. Get free trial of school bus tracking system by visiting www.fleetroute.com.